Hey man, what happened? You don't know punctuality? You have taken your time to come here.
What did you expect? I've just gone out of work and I come directly here.
Well, come in, relax and take something to drink.
Why don't you turn on TV to see if there is something interesting?
Sure, why not?
Alone at home, thinking about latest time when you were away, crying here, forgetting the truth. I finally found a thing in my room. I only need a device to find my way. It's better now than yesterday. The iPhone gives me all I need. It's the only way which I can feel. Cross the rain, back in time, walking on dreams, enjoying this life. Technology stolen the tools from my head, and it doesn't matter, I'm a walking dead. I only need a device to find my way. I'm better now than yesterday. The iPhone gives me all I need.
Hey, that is a piece of shit. Why you ask me to turn on TV to listen this music? My ears are going to bleed.
These guys are the worst I have seen in my life. They don't turn up, they play really badly, and they are ugly too.
Hey man, I'm going to get angry. We do the best can.
Yeah, well, what are you going to do? Come here and hit me? You stay inside the TV, stop it.
Really? Now you will see. You are going to be shocked with this. Come on.
What the fuck?
Here we are.
Well, come on. Tell me now you're there. Weren't you so brave? Come here.
And why you don't try Biopills 9000? If you do, you will be the best at everything you do. Taiwan, my friend. And now, let's see. I see.
Double.
Game over.
You will be good at playing Battleship.
D4.
Water. Nuclear bomb.
What?
Is the pill effect.
These pills don't include poison, chemical substances or deep harm. These pills are not lethal and provides better results than a Doberman can get in your ear. Guaranteed. And to the 300,000 first calls will pay double and get a few for a Batamanca.
Hey, do you have pocket
You
money?
choose.
I only have a few €100.
Do we steal something from there?